If you want to start making $100 a day by using SEO-free traffic, then watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment on this video telling us what you've learned from this video. Let's get started. Along with the different styles of content that you will need to decide on, you will also need to keep an eye on your website analytics. These are provided in-house by portals like WordPress or Google Analytics. You can complete the easy sign-up process for Google Analytics and start receiving analytical information in 3 to 4 days. The analytics will allow you to identify public favorites among your hosted content and check whether the new video or article has received adequate public approval. This is determined by the amount of time spent on average on that particular article by each audience member. If the analytics show that they sat through an appropriate amount of time to read it in its entirety, then you've done an excellent job with your content. However, if they move on from it after just 30 seconds, you may need to revisit your judgment regarding the style or topic. Keeping an eye on your analytics, and tweaking your content accordingly, allows you to understand the tastes of your audience better and cater to that taste appropriately so that you can further nurture your growing visitor base. When your audience is happy, they will refer your website to others around them, which will help to drive more traffic to your site through word of mouth. The best way to encourage this is through maintaining high credibility with your existing base. You also need to keep in mind that you need to post new content on a regular basis. Nothing will dwindle your existing visitor base faster than a stagnant website. People will only invest their time in websites that seem to be developing and growing. Now click on the first link in the description. There will be a free video showing you the easiest way to make money online. Thanks for watching.